Hi guys, it's Charlotte here from Hills, and today I have the fantastic opportunity to show you this absolutely beautiful 5-bedroom detached property here on Sandwich Road in the super desirable Ellesmere Park. Now, the property was finished building in 2019. It's a self-build from the current owners, and as we go around you'll see there's a lot of care and attention that has been taken. So as I walked up the driveway there, you can see it's got the garage, this fantastic front garden here, which leads round to another seating area which benefits from the sun in the morning, and then back round to the garden, which I'll show you later on. So let's head on inside. So in the property downstairs we have 2 reception rooms. One here is a living room. It's a really nice cosy space with a log burner and bifolds leading onto the back garden. Got a cloakroom here to the right. A newly fitted bathroom within the last 12 months. The dining room here, floor to ceiling windows. And this absolutely beautiful kitchen dining area. Again, this has been fitted within the last 12 months, along with all the flooring downstairs, which all benefits from underfloor heating. Got integrated Nerf appliances and plenty of storage space throughout the whole kitchen here. So it really is the hub of the home. Through here we have a utility room, again fitted within the last 12 months. It's a really useful and fantastic space. And then where the garage is at the front with an electric roller door is the gym space. Another door leading on into the garden. So we'll go back into the garden. It's a fantastic low maintenance garden. It's not overlooked either at the back. Start round on this side. So if you were to come through around the side of the property, you'd come into this fantastic little space with a fire pit. Then back onto the decking. It's a cosy seating area through here. And plenty of other additional seating throughout the area. So like I said, the sun benefits from the front of the property, and then of an evening we'll set on this side here where they've got the dining space. And then just over here we've got more storage and additional access around the side of the property as well. So I'll take you on upstairs. So as I said, it's situated here on Sandwich Road in Ellesmere Park, close to fantastic schooling, just around the corner from Monton, great access links into Manchester city centre. So up here we have 4 double rooms, one through here, again with floor to ceiling windows. There's fantastic landing. Another double room here. 3rd double room, currently used as a dressing room. So has the wardrobes in here. Got a guest bedroom, double room with the additional ensuite, which was also fitted within the last 12 months. And then across the landing, we have the first main bathroom through here. Twin sink, freestanding bath, and the toilet. Through here we have this fantastic space, fully kitted with the bar, and it's a fantastic and super cool cinema room. Fully kitted out, has blackout blinds to really give you that feeling of you're in the cinema. A really nice feature wall there as well. Head on upstairs to the master bedroom, which benefits 2 dressing rooms and an ensuite, and the balcony. So again, another double room feature there of the balcony overlooking the front garden. The first dressing room area here. To the second dressing room / office. And finally, the final ensuites in the property. Twin sinks as well. So as you can see, the property has got some fantastic features all the way through, and the current owners have taken a lot of care and attention throughout, even adding this beautiful view of Sandwich Road as a focal point here on the stairs. So if you are looking to upsize within the area, please give the office a call and the office can arrange a room for you. Thank you.